Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi EC680M. This machine was brought in because it wasn't delivering the proper volume of espresso. And so what we did is we reprogrammed the buttons. We set this one for 1 ounce and this one for about 2 ounces when the baskets are full. And we also noticed that the double basket that they had was clogged, and so we're going to send them home with a new one. These baskets are pressurized and they're problematic because you see there's many holes here, but there's only one on the bottom. Forcing air into the espresso adds body and kind of mimics crema, and that's why it's used, but they do clog up. And so it's my recommendation that after every use you want to clean the basket with something like Ernex, which helps dissolve the coffee particles inside the basket, because eventually they are uncleanable and just need to be replaced. Well, it's here and working once again, so let's pull a shot. Looking good. Alright, that's a 2 ounce cup and we're halfway there. So 1 ounce for the single. That's right on spot. Well, there it is. DeLonghi working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.